Yo, it's Gucci everybody on YouTube. Thank you guys for tuning in back for another video on this channel, and this one is going to be a crazy one. I recently did a buyout and I paid $1,600 for all three of these shoes. Let me know if this was a steal or not. I feel like it was a crazy steal, something that I couldn't really pass up on. So Peter, if you're watching this, I greatly appreciate you for letting me do this buyout. The homie was trying to get rid of his sneaker collection just to make some space for something that was happening in his life. He's doing something big. So shout out to you, Peter. I greatly appreciate you for looking out on all three of these shoes. So let's just hop into it. So before we start off this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys hit that like button for me, and then also subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed. Let's get this video up to 50 likes and then maybe 10 comments. I love interacting with you guys, so make sure to leave a comment when you're done watching this. So with the first pickup in this video, this was purchased off of Urban Necessities. For anyone who really, wonders if these are all legit, obviously these are all legit. Your boy doesn't fuck with that fake shit. So here's the first pickup, is the Travis Scott Jordan 4 size 10. Here it is, very, very good condition. All of these are worn, but they're all in great condition, and your boy was able to also clean them up a bit. So there you guys go, the Travis Scott Jordan 4 in that beautiful, beautiful blue colorway. And then you have Cactus Jack on the back. And yeah, honestly, super good condition, and I feel like I'll be putting everything up for a steal of a price if you guys are interested in these. So go ahead and hit up your boy if you're trying to, purchase these off of me. But yeah, boom, there it is, the Travis Scott Jordan. All right, you guys, with the second pickup in this video, all of these are Travis Scotts if you guys didn't get the memo. But I did purchase these for my girlfriend about 2 years ago for like $300 or $400, and now they go for like almost $1,000 inner size, which is just insane. These retail for $150. The homie got these from Undefeated, as you guys can see, and these are the Air Force One Low Travis Scotts, the sale colorway. It does come with everything. It comes with the extra swooshes, and then also the nice little tags and all that stuff. You got the grills right here, and then the silver chrome swoosh Cactus Jack patch right there. These are honestly in great condition, and I wish I could keep these as well in my collection because they are my size. But your boy's just trying to run up the budget right now and trying to make some money. So if you guys are interested in these, like I said, everything in this video will be up for sale on the web store. So go ahead and check that out. These are very nice. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about these, but I wish I could keep these, but your boy already has like 2 pairs of Air Force Ones, as you guys can see. So alright, you guys, so here's the last pickup for this video, the Jordan 1 Travis Scott High. These are so beautiful to me, and I wish these were my size. These are a size 9, and I prefer a size 9.5 in Jordan 1s, and these are just a little too tight for my liking. So unfortunately, I will not be keeping these ones. If I did fit them, I would, but these are going to be up on the web store for anyone who is interested in these. But yeah, Jordan 1 High. Beautiful, beautiful shoe, and I wish I could just add these to my collection because these are for sure on my cop list right now. So yeah, there you guys go. These are just going up in price, so don't sleep on this on the web store, please. I feel like I throw some crazy steals out there and you guys are just sleeping on them. And yeah, your boy is currently working on getting more sizes on there, so don't sleep on the boy. All right, so there you guys go, Travis Scott Jordan 1 High. That wraps it up for the video. I'm gonna add 2 extra pickups just to show you guys what's on the web store. I have the Tiffany Dunk Highs. These are up for like $265 shipped. Unfortunately, they don't have a box, so I feel like that's why people are kind of skeptical on buying them. I have seen these go for like $300 to $500, and yeah, these are up for $265 or $275 shipped, something like that, so don't sleep on these. And then I also have for sale on the web store the Brazil Dunks for anyone who's interested in these. These are a size 9.5, and I have $265, I believe, shipped as well. Alright, you guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Let's try and get this video up to 50 likes and 10 comments. Like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this random crazy haul that I recently came across, and let me know if you guys think I got a good deal or not, paying $1,600 for all 3 of these shoes and whatnot. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that good stuff. I honestly don't even use Snapchat, so I don't know why I say that, but just check out all the links down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
We're on Charlie, stand by. Your for flyover. Allies for airstrike in.
guys know the deal. If you guys are sticking to the end, go ahead and comment Cactus Jack just so I know you guys stuck around and watched to the end of this video. I greatly appreciate you guys, whoever really sticks to the end and comments and all that stuff. It really goes a long way. It shows me who the real supporters are and stuff like that. So thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. I can show you guys something that my girlfriend ended up helping me with. So shout out to Ari for helping me. I got a monitor stand and then also added the little shelf up on the top. So new little room additions, I guess. So if you guys are enjoying the content, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hit that thumbs up, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much. I'm sorry about my voice, and yeah, peace. Stay safe out there.